Hello everyone, let's dive into the HP EliteDesk 800 G2 Tiny. This mini PC packs a surprising punch for its size. It's a renewed machine, but don't let that fool you. Inside, you'll find an Intel Core i5 6th generation processor. It's not the newest, but it's a solid performer for everyday tasks and even some more demanding workloads. The i5, with its 4 cores and threads, handles multitasking with ease. The 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM is a standout feature. This is ample memory for running multiple applications simultaneously, browsing the web with dozens of tabs open, and tackling memory-intensive tasks like photo editing or light video editing. You won't be running into any memory bottlenecks here. Storage is handled by a speedy 1 terabyte SSD. This is a significant upgrade over traditional hard drives, offering much faster boot times, application loading, and file transfers. The 1 terabyte capacity provides plenty of space for your operating system, software, and important files. The HP EliteDesk 800 G2 Tiny comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro, a reliable and feature-rich operating system. Plus, it has built-in Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth, ensuring fast and stable wireless connectivity. This is great for home theater setups, office environments, or anyone who wants a clutter-free workspace. Connectivity is another strong point. The mini PC offers a variety of ports, including USB-C 3.0, USB-A 3.0, DisplayPort, VGA, and HDMI. This allows you to connect multiple monitors, external storage devices, and other peripherals with ease. Dual monitor support is a definite plus for productivity. The inclusion of a wireless keyboard and mouse is a nice touch, providing everything you need to get started right out of the box. A brand new TJJ large mouse pad is also included. Overall, the HP EliteDesk 800 G2 Tiny is a capable and versatile mini PC. It's a great option for those looking for a compact and affordable desktop solution for home, office, or educational use. The powerful processor, ample RAM, fast SSD, and comprehensive connectivity make it a solid performer for a wide range of tasks. While it's a renewed device, the upgraded components and included accessories make it a worthwhile investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.